How's it going? My name's Cameron.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Evan.
And we're the hosts of SolarEdge Night Mode. Evan is our lead technical trainer here at SolarEdge, and this is a very exciting week for us here on site because we've got a Nexis inverter fresh off the assembly line in Austin.
So we're going to be running through an install of a Nexis system using the inverter, the Nexis Link, and the Nexis battery blocks with Evan's help. Now join us, California, 3 p.m., East Coast, 6 p.m. on the next episode of Night Mode.
Yep, we look forward to seeing you there. If you have questions, submit them to nightmode@solaredge.com or drop them down in the comments below and we'll be happy to go over that. But we're going to be going through the installation process and the wiring process, so it may run a little bit longer than usual, but you're going to get a deep dive into what the installation process looks like. So, we'll see you on Thursday, and until next time, stay sunny.
Stay optimized.